Wait. Okay, so June is over? All right, well, here's a recap of what I've been up to. Still been running, and I've still been working a lot lately, helping local businesses as well as taking awesome pictures and videos of homes. But here is the drone journal for June 2020. I've been in the moment, taking the chance, being with friends, and watching the sunrise every single morning. Just enjoying life. A bit of chaos, but I always find myself on the road to exploring new heights. So here's to taking a risk. And here's to the beauty of nature and sunrises every single morning. And here's to being a kid again. Chasing after nothing. The shore has a special place in my heart, but I'll always look to the sky regardless, because the beauty is in the sky. It's in the sunsets and the sunrises. They're all uniquely different, and I look forward to them every single day. The month of June was an incredible month for sunrises, sunsets, wonderful times with my son and friends, and all the places that I've been. So thank you all for watching this drone journal of June 2020. Let's see where July takes us.